Hey y'all! Yes, we're in a different angle. This is the messy side of my dresser. All my jewelry and everything hanging. But anywho, I did not feel like doing this video. I've been prolonging it for like a week, but it was requested. Shout out to my cousin Keisha, she requested it. So in my previous video with the what was it? What was that? Oh, the winter lookbook. So I was gonna what am I talking about? I'm still tired. Uh, I told y'all that I should have did a video on how I retain my length with my twist out. So this is how you do it. It's old product in my hair, but I didn't put any new products. So it's old Shea Moisture products in my hair, which is the uh, curling enhancing smoothie and the strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner, Jamaican black castor oil. That's in my hair, but it's old. I haven't put any new product. So that's how I did it last time with no product in my hair. Because I usually put all those products and then it gives it a curl. But the length is shrinkage, but not a lot of shrinkage. But how I did it that time, I just twisted it, y'all gonna see, and it retained the length. And I have this in my hair too. And then I am putting this on my edges and everything as I go. Black castor oil. So this is my detangling brush. I already detangled it. And remember, it all depends on your hair texture, so it's not a guarantee that yours will come out like this. But my hair is naturally curly anyway, so all I need is water, really, and my hair will just curl up with water. So this is the length without it being straightened with a flat iron. So, and this is the one here that's not perm. This is just my natural state. I couldn't tell you the last time I had a perm. Probably over 20 years. 20 years. No, it can't be 20 years. I'm going to say like 15 years. Like 15 years. All right, so you just twist. And then some starts. Some parts are going to be sped up. Now, to see the after, y'all going to have to go to my winter lookbook in the beginning. That's the after result. So this is how I retain my length. And then just let it hang. And once they're all done, I just put them in a ponytail. I did leave it out for like a couple days. And then just put it in a ponytail. And I left mine in for almost a month. That's another thing. I left it in for almost a month because I'm not going anywhere. So I was in the house anyway. And then the ponytail look cute. It just like you have twists. So I'm going to demonstrate on how to take it out. You want to start from the end. After leaving it in for a good while. See, mine is already crinkly already. That shows you. And then when you take it out, it's going to be like this length. And you're just going to pull out. Versus when you put like product in it to make it crinkly, it tend to be up here. But let me twist it again. And then I'll speed up the other parts. Because y'all do not want to see how tangled this is. I had to detangle it. I'll show y'all one part. What I go through detangling my darn hair. So, yeah. You want to make sure it's twisted all the way at the end. And if your hair unravels, get the little black rubber bands and put it at the end. That's time consuming. For the most part, mine just stays. Okay, y'all. This is a section that's not detangled. So I'm going to show y'all how I detangle it. But if y'all want to see a video on my how I do my twist out, how I do my 2-strand twist and see the twist out with product, check my playlist and go to tutorials or how to, and you'll find it. I did a couple. So this is my detangling brush. So I just always start from the ends. Now y'all see the length without it being detangled. It's time to wash it too. That's another reason why I didn't want to do this video, because I was going to wash it, but I'm definitely not washing it today. And I was like, let me just do it now. So now I take my wide tooth comb, do the same thing, start from the end, and then work my way up. And now I can get in here. And don't be afraid of dead hair. Or shedding, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so this is the length with it combed but not straightened. So I think I need a little more combing through before I twist it. Okay, there we go. Okay. Take 2 pieces and then twist. Oh, wait. Let me comb it a little more, and I think I caught my edges. Don't like that. Want to be careful with them edges. So. You want to make sure it's tight enough to stay, but be careful with your edges, because y'all see, I was just going, and this part was like pulling. You don't want that. And if you have a bonnet or a scarf, you can put that on, but I've been being lazy with putting my bonnet and my scarf on. When I used to get my hair done every 2 weeks, you best believe I had my hair wrapped up. Or put a bonnet on if it was curled. But now, we ain't going nowhere. I just be being lazy. That's what came out off the end. And that's how all of them should look. You can do them small if you like. Last time I did them, they was like smaller. But I'm not doing it. It was so many to take out. But you can do them this length. So the rest is going to be sped up.
mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. So the whole point of it is to make sure you comb it out as good as you can, and it can be as straight as it can without heat. So make it as straight as it can and twist it. And as you twist it, just make sure it's stretched. And of course, it's going to crinkle back up. But once you take it out, make sure you unravel it good at the ends and just finger it out. You could just leave it as is, like each section when you finger it out, or you can push it all together and as straight as you want, as poofy as you want, as crinkly as you want. But I like to go in with my Jamaican castor oil and go into the parts. Be careful with this if you with your clothes and whatever you have around, because I left it open one day and it spilled all over my brand new traveling bag, personal bag for the airport. I was so mad. And it's still stained. I didn't take the time to get the stain out because I was pissed, but I'm sure it'll come out. I was too pissed to deal with it. I just wiped it off. And when I put this one, I do like to put a bonnet on. Have it all seep through. Feels so good going through my scalp. Alright. And I just like to rub it in. It's very thick. This oil is thick. Thick and oily. So make sure you wash your hands good. Don't touch anything. Wash your face off, your neck, because you do not want that oil sticking. Y'all hear my mom laughing? It never fails. I mean, it never fails. She's either watching one of her shows. Rarely on the phone, but she's always laughing at something. That's where I get it from. And we laugh a lot. We're known for our laugh. Alright, I need a little more in the back. The back is neglected. Damn, is it that funny? Shoot, I don't know where. Alright. Got in the back. Okay. Okay, there you have it. How to retain your length with a twist out. Remember to go look at my previous 2-strand twist out. I got one with 2-strand twist. I got one doing a twist out. I have one 2-strand twist. I have one twist out, and I have one nighttime hair care routine. Just go into my playlist, look for how to or tutorial, and you'll find it. But anywho, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see how I do my 2-strand twist and how to retain length with your hair. And leave me a comment, let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys, y'all. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.